Hello and welcome to Bradley's Space, and in this video we're taking a look at this. This is the Epomaker EP64 and it's a hot swappable mechanical keyboard that only cost me £48, and I've been using it for a couple of days and so far no complaints whatsoever. Now, this is a budget keyboard, and I'm not one of those people that spends that much money on tech apart from cameras, etc. But I think it's really good. The reason I needed a hot swappable keyboard was I use the same desk for working from home as I do for my personal PC, and I wanted something I could switch between really easily, put through a KVM if needed. But what this offers is great. You can easily switch between 3 different Bluetooth connections using the Q, W and E and the function button, as well as being able to use the inbuilt dongle that comes with the keyboard, but I'll show you all that later. For £48, this is a godsend and I'm loving it so far. It's got flamingo keys. I'm not a switch expert, but I'll tell you, it's nice to type on, it's really small, doesn't clutter at my desk. They're so good, I actually bought 2. So let's get into the specs, and I'll take over to VoiceOver Bradley to go over some of the more details and show you what's going on with the keyboard.
Okay, so this is the keyboard. It's a 64 key keyboard with flamingo, which is like Epomaker's own kind of switch. It is completely USB-C, but it does have a battery. That battery lasts a couple of days. Not great, but you also have the option to go from a dongle and Bluetooth. To switch Bluetooth on, there is this switch at the back of the keyboard that you have to keep memory of in case when it comes or you accidentally knock it and it gets switched off. The keyboard is completely programmable. To switch between the keys, you use the function and the QWE. This switches your Bluetooth connection, as well as the function R, which connects the keyboard to the dongle. The dongle, when you find the keyboard, when you get the keyboard, will be in the back of the keyboard itself, next to the USB-C port. This is handy in case you don't have a computer with Bluetooth, or you want to add an extra connection, giving you a total of 4. The battery life I found on the keyboard is not amazing. It lasts about 2 to 3 days. I think it's like a 300. I don't know the milliamps. I can add it onto the description. But it comes with a charging cable, and that's provided. So, yeah. Now, if you want to hear the sound, I'll let you. Okay, so that was the sound. Now, my only thing is that it's quite a light keyboard, so it does move around a little bit, and there is no adjustment. You can't heighten the keyboard, you can't lower the keyboard. It is pretty much a block keyboard that doesn't move too much.
So that's it. That is the Epomaker EP64, and I don't think you can get a better keyboard for the price. It's pretty damn good. Yeah, as I was saying, I actually bought 2 of these, one for myself and one for my partner who also works at home, and we're loving them. If you want to see more content like this, hit like, comment, leave me your feedback. If you've got something similar or if you've got any recommendations on good budget keyboards, let me know. But yeah, I think it's great, and so far it gets 10 out of 10 for me. But thank you, I've been Bradley. Goodbye.